Hi everyone, thank you for watching my little life. Today I'm going to show you how I made this mirror with sea glasses. Sea glasses are glasses you find on the beach. Washed by wave and get round shape. Originally, it's just rubbish. But there are some artists using sea glasses for accessories and photo frames. I picked up almost 1 kilo of these glasses from my last holiday and used for this old bathroom mirror to transform into a totally new one. I did a bit of research and decided to use this tile grouting plus adhesive premixed. Firstly, use masking tape to cover up mirror. Then before I start, I created rough layout. I divided glasses into different color and sizes. It helps to make a nice design. I used larger pieces on the corner and also keep the gap in between glasses same as much as possible. All the glasses have different interesting shapes. That makes this mosaic type of design so pretty. Then apply tile grouting on mirror. Then put glasses on. I had to make the grouting quite thick because some glasses are quite big and difficult to attach. It took only less than 1 hour. And it was pretty easy job compared with second day's job. Started second coat of grouting. I prepared clean water, putty knife, sponge, cloth, and old toothbrush. Also, small white sponge for polishing you can usually find in pawn shop. So now, apply another layer of grouting. And then wipe off surface by sponge. Use knives to make a straight line for the edges. When it's done roughly, polish each glasses by white sponge. It was a good decision doing little by little instead of doing all the round mirror together. For some harder part, I needed to use knife to scratch off. Finally, take off the masking tapes. In fact, it sticks on very nicely on the mirror. I just had to use knife to scratch off over left and making the line straighten a little bit better. As a touching, I scratched off some overleft on the glass later on. How do you think? Honestly, I really liked it. It comes out nice, wasn't too difficult, and then obviously it's very original. It still looks different to me just buying similar products from store. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to share with you my little crafting experiences. So if you like those, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for your watching till the end. And have a good day.